And this is Cannoli. He is running around.
No, that's pesto.
Oh, I get them mixed up. They look alike. I can't tell. All I know, we got a 15. Oh, there's a little guy. There you go. They're gonna get into some type of mischief together. Let's see. We call them the twins. And our 15-year-old dog, when he sees him coming, he runs in his little cage because he knows little kittens are nothing but trouble for him. They like to chase his tail, and the two of them get on. So he went in that cage, and he's going to take a nap. His 5th nap of the day, and it's only about 11 o'clock. Because that's what old dogs do. There's the other little kitten. There he comes. And there's the other little kitten. There he goes. He's looking to get into trouble too. He's looking. I get the names mixed. I get them both mixed up because they're little. We call them the twins because they look alike. And he's in there. He's on the shelf. And we had our other cat, Juno. And he used to keep the mice down in his house. He's going around. Come here, Cannoli. Yeah, he's gonna go under there. Yep, here comes the other one. There they are. And there, look. Oh, there we go. Oh, here we go. Now, when you're a 15-year-old dog and they start bouncing on you like that, it just gets tiring. Oh, there we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, here's the other one. I get them mixed up. Listen. There we go. Well, you're not ready to go outside. No kittens go outside here. Because there's bigger animals out there. They found something. There we go. Kentucky Derby Day. They don't care about that. Oh, whoops! He wants what he's got. He only don't like sharing his stuff. Neither does the dog. Here we go. You're getting ready. You're coming. Well, you gotta leave. Did you find that? Yeah, here we go. On the other side, Mom.